Well, hello there everyone, David, your friendly hairy Scotsman, back once again. Now, I was in Tesco's. Yes, it actually says it right on here. And I found, in the reduced section, a new recipe for Tesco's chicken and black bean with egg fried rice. A taste of China with peppers and water chestnuts in a rich black bean sauce. Well, we all know what I'm going to be doing with the peppers, but that is what it's looking like. Now, I've not really had a lot of black bean sauce. I usually go for sort of chow meins, sweet and sour, a curry, something like that. I've never really tried the black bean. So this is going to be quite a new one for me. So I pop that out there. I'll let you know how much it would have been. It would have been £3.50. I didn't get a lot off it. I got it for £2.45, so £1.05 off it, which is always better than paying the full price, I think. But it's full of flavour, inspired by your favourite takeaways. The meals are made to enjoy at home any day of the week. Now, chicken and black bean sauce with fried rice, you're not going to get any change out of a tenner usually. So for £2.45, even for £3.50, that's pretty good. It weighs 400 grams, so it's a standard size, sort of, they class that as a meal size. Cooked chicken breast pieces in fermented black soya beans and garlic sauce with cooked rice, eggs and peas. Now, I do like peas in my fried rice, I have to be honest. Not all the Chinese you do put peas in the fried rice, but I really do like it. For best results, microwave it, remove the outside sleeve, peel back the film lid, add a tablespoon of water to the rice, stir and recover. Chilled, it takes 6 minutes. Heat on full power, halfway through, give it a stir. Leave it for a minute after it. You can do it in the oven as well if you want, but it's 25 minutes, so forget that. I'll dry it out as well, I reckon. I find if you do rice in the oven or that, it just dries it out. So I'll do it in the microwave. Ingredients. Lots of stuff. Cooked egg fried rice, which is water, long grain rice, pasteurised egg, onion, peas, rapeseed oil, sesame oil, garlic puree, salt, flavourings, lemon juice. Cooked chicken is 18%, so not bad. Chicken breast, cornstarch. There's water, red pepper, onion, water chestnut, black fermented soya beans, sugar, rice wine, corn flour, rapeseed oil, garlic puree, ginger puree, sesame oil, salt, caramelised sugar syrup. That sounds good. Chicken extract, soya beans, rice vinegar, wheat red chilli puree. I just felt that one brewing. I just wanted to go. Fennel powder, alcohol. Hey, I don't drink. Cinnamon, aniseed, carrot, leek, clove, ginger powder, parsley, garlic, white pepper and bay leaf. Made using Thai chicken. So that chicken's travelled further than I have in the past few years. There's nutritional stuff. 513 calories, 2,159 kilojoules. I'll let you have a peek. There's all that stuff. There's more stuff along with nutritional stuff. There's what you can recycle and what it weighs. There's what it's meant to look like. Ugh. Why am I so tired today? I am absolutely shattered. I have to go out and photograph a show tonight. Footloose, that'll be good. Rosyth and District Musical Society are doing it. They're a great bunch. Yeah, so I'll go and pop this in the microwave for 6 minutes. Give it a wee sugar. And yeah, we'll see what it's like in 6-7 minutes or whatever. Back in a bit. And I'm back. Now, while I've been letting it cool that wee bit, you leave it for a minute. I've taken out the red peppers because I really am not fond of them. So, we've got loads of water chestnuts, loads of little black beans. There's a lot of chicken in there. Try and get, there we go, I mean, there it is there. That's looking pretty good, eh? I'll hide. There we go. So, let's, I'll do a wee bit, get rid of that. Let's try a bit of this sauce. There's a bit on there. That's quite unusual. The first bit that you take has got a bitterness to it, but it's also got a sweetness. And now it was sweeter, then there's a slight bitter edge to it. That is unusual. That's really odd. But I think I like that. There's definitely a sweet bitterness to it. That is really unusual. The lumps of chicken, there's a lot of chicken in it. It's a good sized lumps. What is those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lumps of chicken in there. That is not half bad. So I'm going to try a bit. There we go. That's nice. That chicken is really moist. That is good. Big lump of water chestnut. I love water chestnuts. Crunchy. That really worked. That was nice. Let's get some of this rice. It doesn't look very fried, but it's got egg and peas in it. That might be fried. Might be fried rice. It doesn't taste very fried. There doesn't appear to be any soy in it. There's no colour. It's a bit bland, but I mean, it tasted worse, we'll put it that way. Let's get a bit of everything. So I'm getting a bit of that, dropping that in there. That chicken, let's find a bit of water chestnut. There we go. Cover that up a bit more. As I knock it all off. It does not want to stay on this fork. Right, got it. That is really nice. Get some of the sauce in there. Mix it up with the egg. That really is not bad. I am really, I'm impressed with this actually, it's really good. Try and mix a bit more in there, get some more rice. The rice actually takes a lot of the flavour. Yeah, the rice actually takes a lot of the flavour out of the black bean sauce. I actually really like just the sauce. Let's get a bit of sauce with some beans. It's almost got a slight smokiness to it as well. That is actually really enjoyable. I didn't know what to expect. I mean, I'm sure I've had it before, but that is really tasty. Get some more of that sauce. There's a lot of sauce. Sorry, I'm trying to get a load of it on there, get some rice in with it again. Get the peas in. I do love peas. The water chestnuts really just give you a different texture. I'll tell you something, for what was it? Where's the price? There it is. For £2.45, this is really good. Cat. Even at £3.50, it's not half bad. It's a lot less than you're going to pay in a takeaway, a lot less than you're going to pay in a restaurant. That is really nice. Loads of little black beans in it. There's a lot of water chestnut in there. This is enjoyable. I'm going to give you that much. Tesco's, you've done a good job. So I'm going to disappear and enjoy this just now because I'm getting ready to head out, so I have to get this eaten quite quick. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would. Hit the bell for notifications. YouTube might let you know when I'm putting these on. If you enjoy my videos, go on, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like my videos, well, thank you for being here this long and give me 2 thumbs down. Have you tried this one? Do you like black bean sauce? As I say, this is one of the... I must have tried it before. I've tried most things Chinese and I've absolutely loved them. I don't think there's anything I've found Chinese or Thai that I haven't really enjoyed yet. What do you think? Would you have a go at this? Is it even close to what the Chinese restaurants do? Or done properly? Let me know in those messages below. So take care of yourselves, everyone. Hopefully I'll speak to you all again tomorrow. Let someone you know you're thinking about them, eh? Really does mean a lot to folk. Take care. And you know what I'll do? I'll see you. Let's get that into me gob.